I've gone and do myself a buy, right? I know it's not car cleaning season. However, I love a clean car. Always have done. I know it's snowing outside. However, I've got myself some goodies. Do you want to see them? We'll do a little unboxing if I can. So it is from this company, Mile Deep. Now, I've been a massive supporter of Mile Deep for a very long time. Car cleaning products are fantastic. And Jody, the owner, A1, by the way, his advice, his help, and his just general attitude is amazing. It helps massively. So I've got myself a little haul because I needed to stock up again because I use it that much. I just run out right quick. You know, it is what it is. So I'm going to show you what I've got because, yeah, why not? We'll start with the thing I use the most, right? 5 litres of this bad boy here. So this is Release. This is citrus pre-wash. Awesome stuff. Not only do I clean my car with it, I also clean my toolbox at work with it. Got to look after that, and it's really good at getting the breaking down the crap that gets on your painted surfaces, right? This you can dilute it as well. So this is 5 litres. You can dilute down. There's lots of different instructions down here, but 110 is the most you can dilute it. So just imagine what you can get out of 5 litres. Yeah, at 1 to 10. You can change it as well, depending on what you want. But 5 litres of Release. Mint. Then I've got purple. So this is your iron, your fallout remover for getting all the obviously fallout particles off your paintwork, your wheels. Absolutely stinks, but it's epic. It's really good. Comes with a trigger and all, you know. That's that. Cleanse, shampoo, simple as that. Shampoo, it's mint, it works, it's slick, it cleans. I fucking love it. As simple as that, yeah. pH neutral shampoo. Now, I ain't a detailer at all, I'm a mechanic, but like I say, it goes hand in hand with liking cars, and the products are amazing. Spot on. Bottles are click, childproof, amazing. Sheen, this is Sheen, by the way, this is a dry and aid. So once you've washed your car, done the contact wash, blasted it all off, give it a layer of this is a little bit of protection, a little bit of a finishing layer, and the beading. It's not a ceramic, it's a topper, but it helps. It's banging, it's Sheen. All these are on the website as well, guys, that I will put in the description. If you stay to the end as well, I might give you a little bit of a Christmas deal, from not even a deal, a little bit of something from me as a Christmas present. From me, a Mile Deep. Stick with it. Stick with it. Snow foam. The best snow foam I've used. Simple as that. You can get it in all these products, by the way. You can get in different quantities, not just 500ml. So if you're going to use loads of it, sound, get bigger bottles. If you are just a little bit of a DIY job, own your own car, your missus' car, whatever, the 500ml are more than enough. All these you can dilute down, right? So all these, all on the back is the instructions, not destructions. And you've got their mission statement as well, and everything like that is all on the bottles. Ow, get a little, I've got a spray trigger as well, right? But, you know when you've been into a supermarket, right, and you spot that tin that's got no label on it, well, that's what this trigger's for, right? And if you've got a box, right, I've not ordered this one, a random labelless bottle, and I'm like, all right, he's left me a little note in the box that explains what it is. I'm not going to tell you what it is just yet, right? Because this is an unreleased product. It don't exist, can't buy it. So I'm not going to say what it is, but I'm going to speak to Jody and I'm going to find out what he wants me to put by way of a little teaser in videos and stuff like that I'm going to do, because it's a game changer. Right? All I'm going to say is, the only thing I'm going to let you know is you need a trigger for it. That's it. So I'll let you think. I ain't going to put out about it. No, in the description, can't buy it. But it's coming. Pre-release. Let's give it a whirl, see what it does, right? My little Christmas gift to you guys, down in the bottom. So the website where you can buy these from will be down there. There is a little discount code as well. So everything I've shown you here, you get 15% off the price you see on the website, right? So you get to the checkout and you put in the code MDVWM15. I'll put it along the screen here so you can see it, but it's MDVWM15. 15% off everything. Spend so much, you get free delivery in the UK as well. Hey, just gift on keeps giving. I know it's not car cleaning season, like I said at the beginning of the video, but ladies out there, if you've got a fella that's interested in cleaning his car and you can get it cheaper right now, stocking fillers, Christmas is around the corner, you know, get him stocked up, ready for the new car season. They'll love it. Be mint. Now, fellas, don't go buying your missus car cleaning stuff because they don't need it. They don't want it. They expect us to do it. And my wife's literally there, right? And she's grinning away because she knows it irritates me when she misses bits on her car and stuff like that. Fucks me off. So I buy all these products, right? And then I moan at her when her car's minging, so I end up having to wash it. By the by, ladies, get your fellas some of this for Christmas. Fellas, if you want to get your missus some of this for Christmas, just say it's her Christmas present, but nick it anyway. Job done. Links down there, codes down there. Have a great Christmas. Enjoy cleaning your car. See you in a little while.